Release it. Again, fold your toes. Release it. Breathe out, fold your toes. Release it. Next, rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let us practice Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana. Maintain 3 feet gap between your feet. Keep your hands forward and bend forward. Now keep your right palm on your left foot. Let your left hand stretch towards to the back. Try to twist your spine. Try to turn your head and try to look at your left palm. Your left palm should be there at your shoulder level. Don't bend your knees. Feel the twist. Have normal breathe in and normal breathe out. Breathe in, come straight. Now breathe out, other side. Keep your other palm on your other feet. Turn your head and twist your spine. Try to keep your palm at your shoulder level. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come straight. Now come to Baddha Konasana position. Keep your spine, head straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Stay there with spine, neck, and erect. Try to involve yourself into the yoga practice and try to enjoy the practice. Now open your eyes and practice continuously butterfly, knees up and down. Now stop your practice. Keep your right palm on your right knee. Keep your left palm on your left knee. Now try to give pressure on your knees. Give pressure some more. Try to spread your knees as much as possible and try to give pressure more. Try to press more. Still more, try. Feel the pelvic stretch. Feel the hip joint pressure. Stay there. 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now breathe in, raise your hands up. Keep your spine, neck and head straight. Now breathe out, slowly bend forward. Try to bend from your lower back. Have the same stretch like Paschimottanasana. Try to stretch from your lower back. Let your lower back bend more. Keep your hands same position. Hand should be at your shoulder level only. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe in, come straight. Catch hold of your toes and practice again butterfly. Try this time more knees up and down. Stop practice and practice the same posture one more time. Breathe in, raise your hands up. Breathe out, bend down. Still more, bend down. Stay there with normal breathe in and out for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Relax your body, stretch your legs and come to standing position. Now we are going to practice Surya Namaskars. Surya Namaskars is a series of asanas. So now you try to practice with breath movement. I will tell you in every posture how you need to practice with the breath. You need to have a synchronization of your body movement and breathe. First come to position number 1. Take your both hands up while taking inhale. While exhale, keep your hands in Pranamasana, position number 1. Normal breathe in and breathe out in the final position. This is position number 1. Repeat this sloka. Whenever I give pause, you repeat it. Hiranmayena patrena Satyasyapi hitam mukam Tattvam poshanna pavruno Satya dharmaya drustaye Om Hram Mitraya Namaha. Open your eyes and breathe in Urdhva Namaskarasanam. And once you come to the final position, have regular breathe in and breathe out. This is position number 2, Urdhva Namaskarasana. While bending back, you need to take breathe in and breathe out. Padhastasanam. Whoever is unable to practice Surya Namaskars, they please practice Tadasana, Katichakrasana, Padahastasana, Urdhva Namaskarasana, Trikonasana. Have regular breathe in and out in the final position. Don't bend your knees in Padahastasana. Then breathe in Asvasanchalanasana, right leg back. Whenever I say breathe in or out, you remember it is a long breath in. You need to follow the long breath in. Breathe out, Merudandasanam. Breathe in, knees down. Breathe out, Shashankasanam. Breathe in, rise your body. Breathe out, Ashtanga Namaskarasanam. Now your hips down, toes pointing out, and breathe in Bhujangasanam. Breathe out, Parvatasanam. Breathe in, knees down, breathe out, Shashankasanam. Breathe in, Asta Sanchalanasana. Bring your right leg forward. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Practice carefully. Breathe out, Pranamasana. Release your hands. Again, keep your body erect. Take a long breath in, rise your hands up. Breathe out. Keep your hands in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra, Pranamasana. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha.
Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha.
Breathe in, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in, Asta Sanchalanasana, right leg back. Breathe out, Merudandasana. Both your feet together. Keep your body erect. Breathe in, knees down, breathe out, forehead touch the floor, Shashankasanam. Breathe in and out, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Hips down, toes pointing out, and breathe in, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, Parvatasanam. Breathe in, knees down, breathe out, touch your forehead to the floor, come to Shashankasana. Breathe in, right leg forward, Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Breathe out, Pranamasana. Release your hands. Third round, breathe in, rise your hands. Breathe out, come to Pranamasana. Keep your hands in front of your chest in a correct manner. Om Hrum Suryaya Namaha.
Om Surya Namaha.
Open your eyes and breathe in Urdhva Namaskarasana. Urdhva Namaskarasana is try to stretch your head back, try to bend back, join your palms. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Then breathe out, Padahastasana, bend forward. Try to bend from your lower back. Try to keep your palms on your foot. Let your head inside. Without bending your knees, try to bend forward. Let your head also towards to the knee side. Let your abdomen also towards to the lower and upper thigh. Padahastasana. Breathe in, Asvasanchalanasana. Stretch your right leg back. Try to keep your both palms between your left foot. And try to fold your left leg as much as possible you can. Try to keep your palms firmly on the floor. Look up. Stretch your spine. Breathe out, Merudandasana. Keep your feet together, keep your knees together. Try to maintain your spine in a straight line. Look down. Then breathe in, knees down, breathe out, Shashankasana. In Shashankasana, let your hips as much as possible towards to your heels. Try to stretch your both hands front side. Let your palms firmly touch the floor. Let your forehead also touch the floor. This is Shashankasana. Now take a long breath in, rise your body and breathe out. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Ashtanga is your both feet, your both knees, your both palms and chest and chin. Let these all 8 touch to the floor. Your buttocks maximum upper side. Lift it more. Then toes stretch back, toes pointing out and body down, and breathe in Bhujangasana. Try to take your both palms support, try to bend your spine more back, stretch your spine and look up. Breathe out, Parvatasanam. With the support of your palms, try to pull your head inside. Let your heels also as much as close, and let your heels touch to the floor. Don't bend your knees. Then breathe in, knees down, breathe out, head touch to the floor and come to Shashankasana. Breathe in, right leg forward, Asvasanchalanasana. Let your left leg stretch back, left knee touch to the floor. Try to keep your both palms in between your right foot. Try to fold your right leg more. Look up. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Bring your back leg forward, both your feet together. Keep your legs straight. Try to bend forward. Breathe in, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Bend back. Breathe out, Pranamasana. Release your hands. Last round. Again, come to Pranamasana. Inhale, rise your hands, exhale. Keep your hands in front of your chest. Om Hraim Bhanave Namaha.
Om Haim Bhanave Namaha.
Breathe in, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in, Astra Sanchalanasana, right leg back. Breathe out, Merudandasana. Breathe in and out, Shashankasana. Breathe in and out, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, Parvatasana. Breathe in and out, Shashankasana. Breathe in, Astra Sanchalanasana. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Breathe out, Pranayama. Release your hands and relax in Savasana position. Just relax your body. Palms facing towards to the roof. Maintain 2 feet gap between your feet. Just keep your palms next to your thighs. Gently close your eyes. Everyone relax in Savasana. Both your legs together, both your hands together. Slowly roll onto your right, come to sitting position. As we practiced yesterday, a technique which is 6 seconds inhalation and 12 seconds exhalation. Now 4 seconds inhalation and 8 seconds exhalation. Puraka, Rechaka, Kumbhaka. There are 3 things in every pranayama. Pranayama consists of these 3. Now we are practicing Puraka and Rechaka. Puraka is inhalation and Rechaka is exhalation. It is 1:2 ratio. So your inhale should be 1 and exhale should be double of that. That is why 4 seconds inhalation and 8 seconds exhalation. With your both nostrils, close your eyes gently. Start inhale, exhale, 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 stop it. Normal breathe in and breathe out. Now concluding prayer, keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhunaha.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
Sarve Santu Niramaya.
Sarve Santu Niramaya.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu.
Ma Kachid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet.
Ma Kachid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om Tat Sat.
Harihi Om Tatsat.
Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.
Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.
Rub your palms. Keep your palms on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes.